This conference will now be recorded.
Now we are going to discuss briefly about HTML. Okay. Before yesterday, I told you introduction about HTML little bit, but we are going to discuss today brief. Okay. First of all, I have to discuss about types of elements. Please make it heading. Types of elements. Okay. Make it heading fast. Left, right. Left side you have to take it a normal heading as element type. Okay. And right side you have to take description, same like that. Before yesterday we taken. Okay. Please make it fast. In this, first we are discussing about normal element. First one. Okay. Now second one is wide element. Don't bother about it. I will tell you again. Please note down this. First point, note down. Completing first topic, then tell me. I will go through with description. Okay. Do fast. Now coming to normal element description. Write down please. Right side. A normal element can be written presentation. Normal element can be written a normal element can be written presentation on callback. Write fast. If you complete writing notes, please do it. Okay, fine. Now in description only second point, the normal element usually comprises of starting tag and ending tag. Okay, like this. Take example like this. See whatever I'm typing, take like this. B means what? Already I told you about this. B means what? Bold. Okay, in that you take any text. Okay, dummy. Okay, like this. You take this example. Okay. Now coming to second one, element type, wide element. Coming to right side description, the term wide refers to no return type. Coming to second point in description about wide element, a wide element can not return presentation directly on callback. A wide element cannot return presentation directly on callback. Okay. Now coming to third point in description, it usually contain only starting tag. Okay, it usually contain only starting tag, comma. It is self-ending element. It is self-ending element. Why? Because it is also called as empty element. If you take any example for this? The image tag is the best example for this. Why? Because image, take this example, image tag doesn't have ending tag. That's why we call as empty tag, okay, or empty element. Okay, this is the example for void element. Please do fast. Then coming to third one, element type, RC data element. Okay, if you done with your notes, please. Okay, fine. Here. Now coming to third one, RC data element. Element type, and go through with description now. It is a rich element. Please write down right side. It is a rich element used for presenting text. Now second point, it will not allow any another, it will not allow any other element within the context, within the context, within the context. For this example is text area. Okay, okay, between the text area you enter any one. Okay, this is the example for RC data element. Now coming to fourth one, element type, raw text element. Okay, raw text element. Okay, now coming to description, it is a HTML element presented by, it is a HTML element, okay, presented by raw text, not by using tag. Okay, it is a HTML element presented by raw text, not by using tag. The example is like if you want to written about copyright details. Okay, this is a one example. Second one is if you want to indicate the cost for any product in website, you have to take this code. Okay, it will written as a dollar sign symbol 8377. This is the code for dollar symbol. These we called as raw text element. Okay, now coming to last one type of element, foreign element. FORIGN, foreign element, ELEMENT element. Okay, now coming to right side, this is the at the rate ampersand copy symbol, and this one is belongs to raw text element. Okay, now coming to foreign element, now right side, it is not a native HTML element, it is a not native HTML element, but can be used in HTML, by importing is nothing but we are borrowing from another source, that we call as importing. Okay, importing external library. Once I am telling, it is a not native HTML element. Okay, it related to HTML but not fully related one. Okay, that is the reason. It is a not HTML element but can be used for importing external library. Okay, like example is SVG. SVG full name is Scalar Vector Graphics. Example is SVG. Okay, comma MathML. Okay, these two example for foreign element. Have you completed? Okay, fine. See now. Okay, fine. HTML introduction done. But see here. Take one example. Okay, fine. Make it heading. See here. See here. Make it heading for like structure of HTML element. Okay. Structure of HTML element. This is the main heading. In this, write down below the heading a typical static document designed for web comprises of first one document declaration, second one document scope. Have you written? Okay, fine. Take another subheading like first one document declaration. Okay, right right under first point. It defines the version of HTML. Okay, what is the declaration? Now presently we are using declaration HTML5. Document HTML means declaration of what? Version of HTML. Okay, like that only. The take first one, it defines the version of HTML. Here is the first one. It defines the version of HTML for using cut it that one. It defines the version used for HTML. It defines the version. What will define? The document declaration will define which document we are using by writing HTML code. That is the question. Now it define the version. Okay, fine. Used for HTML. Okay, this is the first point. Coming to second point, a browser contains the parcel. A browser contain the parcel. Okay, parcel means nothing but it will converted here. See, for example, think imagine this is the one type of the parcel. Okay, this parcel mainly used for, write down, a parcel mainly used for a parcel mainly telling about multiple HTML versions of multiple HTML versions 11. Okay. In future condition we will use HTML 11. Okay. Now process is going down by W3C. In future we will use HTML 11. Okay. Presently we are using what? HTML5. Okay. That is the point. Okay. Coming into another point, to tell the parcel, if you want to tell reporting for parcel, okay, to tell the parcel, the page is designed by using HTML5. To tell the parcel, the page is designed by HTML5. Okay, continue. We have to make document declaration by what? See here, if anyone will ask you which version you are using in HTML, you have to say what? You have to say what? Presently we are using HTML5. Okay, that is declared by doc type HTML. Okay, make it. This is the example for what? Version of HTML5. Okay, have you completed writing notes? Okay, fine. This is very important in interview question. They will ask you like this. See, what is the difference between, write down question, what is the difference between attribute and already I tell you what is the attribute mean. What is attribute mean? What? The attribute mainly providing the additional information to our element. That is the attribute. Okay, fine. Coming to property. Okay. In previous section I told you when I using CSS. Already I told you. If you remember or not, I don't know. Okay. Property. This is the question in interview they will ask you. Okay. What is difference between, sorry, this is not okay. What is the difference between, what is the difference between attribute and property? Okay, this is the interview question. Now make down answer for this. The attributes are associated with tags like this. Okay, tag means what? Every element should be have. If you think about this, see, every element should have starting tag. This is a starting tag, coming to ending this like this slash. Okay, forward slash. Okay, okay. Now make it answer. Attribute Attributes are associated with tags. Okay, they are used statically to present an element. They are used statically to present an element. Okay, make it this example for first point. Okay, uh, like this you take. Okay, make it example like this for first point. Now coming to second point, the property are associated with element they are dynamically manipulate the element. For this second point example, var pick equal to new image. Okay, I will tell you in future. This is related to Java variables. Okay, just to make it example. Example is what? Var pick equal to new image. Okay, this is our first one. Take its symbol like write like this attribute. Okay, like this you take. Have you completed your notes? Have you completed or not? Okay, fine. See here. Okay. Now make it heading. Document scope. Now second one. Okay. First we have written no. Now we are going through with document scope. Again in this we have subtopics. Okay. First one is what? Head. Already I told you what is the use of it. It mainly works for only web crawlers. Okay. Or web spiders. Okay. First one is what? Head. Okay. Now coming to second one, what? Body. What is the use of the body? Body will shows our content. Okay. It mainly used for visible content. Okay. Okay. Take first one. First point. First heading now. Take reading a 8 section. That is the main heading. Okay. Coming to definition. The 8 section comprises of information which loaded into memory requested by client. Already I told you the head section mainly used for which loaded by memory. Okay, which loaded by memory by using client. The client will, if client will ask you any change in your page, you must be use head. Okay, that is the purpose of using head section. Okay, in this head section again we have some like style script. In previous section I told you style script and also again HTML language meta. All this we done in previous section. Okay, even though again I am explaining with notes. No, be careful when you are writing the notes. Okay, now first one is again once again I'm telling first pen, please do write first. The H section comprises of information which loaded into memory when page is requested by client. Okay, that is the first point. Coming to second point, the contents in a memory are accessible. The contents memory are accessible to the browser. Okay, are you completed? Once I am telling, listen carefully. The contents in a memory are accessible to the browser as well as to the document in a browser. Okay, now coming to third point, the commonly used elements in each section. The commonly used elements in each section. They are commonly used elements in each section. What we are discussed in each section in previous section. Okay, already we done with these topics like style element and script. I haven't told about script, but I will tell you about this when you are go through with JavaScript. We will discuss briefly. Okay, in HTML also, HTML JavaScript is for sample. Don't bother about it. Then coming to meta, already I told you why should we use meta. Even though I will tell you again, no problem. Coming to link. Okay, why should we use link? Why? Because when you are going to insert link insert any other another source from another web page, you have to create the link for creating external files. You have to use link. Okay, then coming to fifth one, title. Already I told you, when you are going to write, you have to use title. The title mainly use scroll mainly visible on title bar. Okay, we will go through with example. Don't bother about it. Then write for every point. Now coming to another point, the head section is defined by doing. The head section is defined by head section. How it will define like this? No. Now we are discussing that point only. Okay, this is the this we are discussing presently. The head section is defined by doing HTML by doing. The head section is defined by doing tag head. You have to write this first one. Tag, after tag you have to write this head. Okay, and the element in head section that doesn't have any order, dependency. For example, there is no order. If you want to write style up, upper position, down position, your wish. If you want to write script upper position, down, your wish. There is no order, depends in head section. Okay, are you understood? Once again I'm telling this point, the head section is defined by tag head. Okay, and the elements in head section doesn't have order depend. Okay, now coming to make heading as a title. Make it heading title. Okay, for title definition, it describes the title describe the title to be displayed in browser, in title bar. Okay, I have observed before in previous section we will discuss what is the title bar. Okay, even though I will explain, don't bother, just you have to make note. Okay, that is the definition of title bar. Okay, now coming to link, please make it heading as a link. It used to link for creating external file. Okay, it used to link for creating external file to HTML document. Once I am telling, please listen. It is used to link an external file. It is used to link an external file to the HTML document. What we are doing now for HTML element or HTML document, we are creating external library. Means we are taking another link from another source for HTML document. That is the purpose of taking link. Okay, HTML document continue. You can click. You can link only only non-dynamic files such as, already I told you, static difference and dynamic difference. Don't ask again. Okay. You can link only non-dynamic files such as style sheet. Style sheet mainly used for linking CSS. Okay. Are you done with notes? Okay, fine. See, now take one example, basic example, or take this example like basic HTML page. Okay, take like HTML page basic. First of all, you start with basic. Okay, basic HTML page. Okay, now write down this code. Wait. How to start your document by using exclamation. For example, if you are using Visual Studio Code, it will be appear automatically when you are starting to write doc type. Okay, why? Because why? Because the Visual Studio Code have some of the advanced extension in Visual Studio Code. Okay, you will save more time. You have to edit the your page by using Visual Studio Code only. Okay, see, now write this example total. Now coming to HTML. Okay, then head. Okay, in this title. Okay, and link reel. Style sheet. Okay, href, like some style.css. We will discuss. Just watch it. Okay. Okay, then coming to please don't miss ending tag. Why? Because if you are missing any ending tag, the content will not be present in your page. Okay, you have to use code with starting tag and ending tag. Okay, please make it fast. This is the best example for. Okay, sorry, I forget body inside this body. Okay, body. This is the best example for basic HTML page. Okay, are you done? Please do reply first. If you are done with that example, we will go through another topic. Okay, fine. Now make it heading meta. Okay, make it heading meta. Do first make it heading meta. Okay, see here. Meta describes, make it note down, find some point. Meta describes metadata. Meta describes metadata. Okay, meta describes metadata. That is information about page. Okay, that is information about page. That is the first point. Coming to second point, meta is used to make page SEO friendly. Sorry, SEO means full name, search engine optimization. I'm writing here. Please don't write short form. Make it notes full form. Search engine optimization. Okay. Second point, once again I am explaining. Meta is used to make the page SEO friendly. SEO means what? Search engine optimization. SEO friendly. Okay. Are you fine? Then coming to third point, Meta is mostly used by web crawlers. Please underline that web crawlers and spiders, and also underline spiders. Okay. To know about your page. Okay. To know about your page. Okay. Okay. Have you written? Okay, fine. Then go with make it like left side you have to write option. Already I am dividing, like I am telling like boxes no, like table I am telling no. After completion of the class, okay. Uh, take this like example table. Please make it a table in your page. Sorry. Okay. Don't write search engine optimization is your friend. Just I am telling example. Okay. First in first box you have taken. You have to take a okay option. In this you take option. Just I am short form giving. Then description. For this is also short form DES. Okay. Then first one is make it. First one is character set. Instead you take character set in option. In left side you take write caption. Not caption, character set. Sorry. In left side you have to take character set. First one, that one. Okay. Coming to right side, it is defines user for. It is defined user for designing page. Okay. It defines user for designing page. It allows, second point, it allows in HTML UTF standards are, they will ask you the question. Note after completion of this point, make it note one point. Okay, note After completion of these 2 points, okay, in under this description only you have to take this note. First of all, you have to write this 2 point. First point is it defines the user for designing page. This is the first point. So coming to second point, it follows the UTF. I will tell you full form of UTF. Take curly brackets besides. Okay. Okay. In this you write full form. Okay. Both between these brackets. Okay. UTF stands for Unicode Transformation. They will ask you what is the full form of UTF. In interview they will ask. Okay. Unicode Transformation Format. Okay. How many UTFs are present in HTML? This is the interview question. How many types of UTFs are present in HTML? UTF means what? Unicode. Why should we use UTF? For designing the page. For designing the page, we are using UTF. Okay. In HTML, what do we have? How many we have? UTFs here? 8. What is that? 8. Sorry. 8 UTFs are there. Okay. After completion of this 2 description, make it note title, then write in HTML we have UTF 8. Okay. We have UTF 8. Then coming to option second one, viewport. Please write on first. Tomorrow we will complete HTML with notes. Today we will discuss the class at 4 p.m. also. Okay. Why? Because the notes is very important. Okay. In future CSS class, I won't give any notes. When I'm saying the class, you have to make it files. Your wish. Okay. Now second one is viewport. Coming to right side, it defines the behavior of page. In description we are telling now, we are discussing. It defines the behavior of page according to device. It optimize various devices like mobile tab. Viewport is nothing but it will be support according to the device. Okay. For example, if you are opening any application in your mobile, according to mobile width, it will be work that application. That's why we are using viewport. Viewport is also the best example for responsibility web design. Okay. Have you understood? Please reply fast. We will go through another topic. No? Okay, fine. Then coming to another option, keywords. Okay, another point means keywords. Then coming to right side in description, it specifies the keywords mainly telling about searching the page. The keywords mainly telling about searching the page. Okay, that is the description. Now coming to another option, last one, description. Left side, the description is the option is there. Okay, don't bother about it. To description, don't be confused. Okay, in left side, the description is the last one. Now coming to right side description, it contains the summary of your page contents. It contains the summary of your page contents, which is used in SEO. Which is used in SEO. What is the full form of SEO? Please reply first. This is a question. What is the full form of? Please do reply fast. What is the full form of SEO? Just now I told you. SEO, not SEO. E for elephant. not SCO, SEO, E for elephant or eagle, like you only. Search engine. Okay, good goal. See. Okay, fine. Now we will go through with another option. See here, HTTP EQ. Don't be tension. We will discuss. Already I told you HTTP. Okay, we are writing with. When all in previous classes I told you, like when before yesterday class we will discuss about URL and URI in that HTTP scheme. Okay, that mainly tells about here what we are going to discuss. Write down please fast. Okay, this is the option last one but not least. Coming to description for this, it specifies request of the header and request time. Request of the header, request time. This is the one type of the basic interview question. Wherever you go, this question will be repeat. Okay, make it star. Okay, now we will go through to another last example. Okay, this is a final example. Please take this example after end of this all options. Don't be confused. Whatever I am writing, this is a just example. We will discuss in future classes. Already I told you in previous sections. Okay, once again I will tell you. You have to write caps only. Here UTF means. Okay, the page will not take if you write in a small caps like UTF. They will ask you question about meta. Please make it start about meta. Keywords means what? It mainly depends upon searching the page. Okay. Why should we use refresh means? For example, if your page is very slow due to server, if you write this, it will be refresh automatically. Content is mainly discussed about time, in which time how many minutes will be repeat your refreshing option. Okay, it is the purpose of using content. Okay. Okay, this is an example, basic example, HTML. Have you done this? Please reply fast. Yeah, okay, fine. Now we will then coming to body section. Okay. Now take like this for script, make it heading script. Okay, make it heading script. Now definition of script: the script element used in head section. The script element used in head section to embed the client side. The script is mainly used in head section to embed the client side. Okay. For this example, in header, we are writing all this about okay. This is the example for script. Then make it heading style. The style element is used to embed the styles into page. Style element is used to embed the styles into page, comma, which are used to make the page, which are used to make the page more interactive and response. Okay, more interactive and response. Now example is in this only. Next example is you remove this script tag, just you add this. Just you take this style style. Okay, are you done with notes? Just you take just you remove the script, then take another example like this. Head first tag, ending tag, in this between this only tag. Okay, are you completed? Sphere. Now we will go through with body. Okay, make it editing body section. I'm telling briefly about all points. Okay, don't miss. Make it editing body section. The write down the body section mainly used for the body elements mainly used for visible the content, visible the content, to display in browsers, to display in browser workplace, to display in browser workplace. Workplace means nothing but this is a total workplace now, like that. When you are writing inside the body, whatever you write inside the body, it will be visible the content in workplace. Okay, the body have starting tag, ending tag, like this. You have to write this. Sorry. Okay, like this you have to write. Okay, okay. Now coming to write attributes for body section. Make it heading attributes for body section. First one is BG color, means what? Background color for body. Okay, this is the one type attribute. Okay, this is the first one. Example is okay. This is the example for BG color red. Okay, then coming to another example for another attribute background. Okay, for background example is okay. Have you done this? Have you written or not? Okay, fine. Okay, today this is our topic. Again, we have some topics. See here. Please write a left side element option, right side description. Okay. Okay. Wait. First of all, you have to done with one other pen. In body section, the HTML file. In body section, the HTML file have new thematic elements. Okay. In HTML file, the body section have new thematic elements. They are, after completion of there, you have to take left side element option, then coming to right side description. Okay. In this, the first one is aside. First one is what? Aside. First one is aside. Okay. Coming to description, it is a container. It is a container. It is a container. Okay. To display the information, it is a container. To display the information, not relative, not relative, not relative, correct, not relative, correct website, not relative, correct website. Okay, that is the first one. Now second element is article. Now second element is what? Article. Okay, article. Okay, it is used to publish the information. It is used to publish. It is used to publish the information. It is used to publish the information. It is opposite to aside is not relative one, but it relative the used to publish the information relative one. Okay, it is opposite to aside. Okay, the article. Have you done? Okay. Now coming to dialogue. Third one is dialogue. Please note down. Coming to dialogue. Coming to dialogue. It coming to this right side. It specify the area. It specify the area used for interacting. Used for interacting. Okay, used for interacting with application, which can be turned with application, which can be turned on or off, which can be turned on off. Okay, that is the dialogue. Now fourth one is figure. Now fourth one is figure. Now fourth one is what? Figure. Okay, it defines the material. It defines the material. It defines the material that encapsulates that encapsulates any picture or graphic with a caption. Caption means nothing but title. Okay, graphing with a caption, any picture or graphing with a caption. Now another one element is fixed caption. It is a set a caption for picture. It is a set a caption for picture in figure area. It is set a caption for picture in figure area. Caption is nothing but what? Title. Okay. Now next one is header. It specifies the content to display the information top margin of page. For see, I will tell you. Okay, wait. It specifies the content top margin of page. Okay, this is header. Then now second one is footer. It specifies the content to display the information bottom margin of page. Okay, bottom margin of page. Bottom margin of page. Okay. Now another one is section. Section. Okay. It defines the content between header and footer. It defines the content between header and footer. Have you completed? Oh, okay. Next one is nav. Next one is nav. Next one is nav. Okay. It defines the navigational area. It defines the navigation area. Okay. Then after div, element div. It is a container. Already I told you about div. It is a container used to define a block. BLOCK. Used to define a block. Okay. It is a container used to define a block. Okay. Now final one is span. It specifies the continuous block. It specifies the continuous block. Okay. Have you done? Are you completed? Hello. Okay. See here. Watch this image. After this image, you have to pick. This is the header portion. Okay. If you take any page, like this will be appear. Okay. It is a header position. Inside the header, see up to here header only. Okay. This is header. Okay. I'm only taking touch. Okay. This is what? Header. Okay. Inside header, what we have? We have some of the links now. Okay. That group of links we call as nav. Okay. Group of links we call nav. Okay. In nav, what we have? Like menu. No, menu means what? Like wait, I'll decrease some size. Okay. Menu. Okay. Menu. See here. If you open any web page in every web browser, header portion will be there. In header, for example, if you take any website, in top of the website, they will present search bar like home, about, some of the icons they will be represent in header section only. Okay, inside the header we have what we have, nav and menu. What is the nav? The group of the links we call as a nav. Okay, the menu means what? Home, about, contact, blah, that we call as menu. Do you understood? Hello. See, what is the header? To display the information above the page. Okay, above the page means, for example, you think as a page. This is a one page. Okay, this is a page. Above the page means what? See, this is the end of for page. This is above the page. The top position of top margin of the page. It displays the content that we call as a header. Do you understand? Okay. Now coming into this. This is a section up to here. Okay. What I written what we written in section, the section is represent between the header and footer. Okay, this is a footer. Okay, I'm writing just F. Okay, see here the section will present above the header and footer. Sorry, between the header and footer. Header, footer, between what we present, section is present. Okay, that is the uses of section. Okay, in section we have again, see here. For example, if you want to insert any page, again we have what we have, figure. Okay, figure means nothing but any image you think like this. Okay, figure means not girls. See another one, for example. Okay, this is aside. Okay, already we written about this. Okay, just I telling here. This is what aside. Aside means what? Aside means what? It displays the information not relative one. For example, this website is related to Amazon. For example, if you want to insert any advertisement in website, okay, the advertisement is another source now that we will display in aside, that we call aside. The aside is mean what? It will not displays not relative one. Okay, it displays not relative one. Okay, that is the aside. Sorry, the aside will be small, not big. Okay, this is aside. Okay, this is aside. Wait, we will drop this. Okay, this is aside. Okay, figure means what? If you want to insert any image in your page like this, we call figure. Okay, have you understood? Then dialogue means nothing. For example, uh, for example, if you think any website like shopping cart. For example, the girls will buy according to festival. They will buy more of the dresses, more dresses. According to festival, they will buy. Every festival they will buy. If the Amazon will be apply the offer for only 20 days, okay, like the offer will be same. Some like box no, same like that only. Here we are using dialogue. Dialogue means nothing but it will be shown turn on off, like if offer will be here it will be off automatically, if offer will be there it will be present. Okay, like this we use dialogue. Okay, do you understood? In footer, this is a footer, no, footer means nothing but it will tells about web page. Okay, it will tells about web page. Okay, that is we call as a footer. Have you understood? Please make this pic a screenshot in your mobile. Okay, and take this pic as a okay, this is very important. Why? Because this is a basic structure. Article means nothing but if you want to insert any related to some topics, we will use the article. Okay, this is a basic example for HTML page. Okay, do you understand? Understood or not? Okay. Now make it heading. HTML headings. HTML headings. Make it go down. Okay. HTML headings. Make it HTML headings. Okay. In HTML, headings are defined. Headings are defined. In HTML, headings are defined. HTML headings are defined by using tag. By using tag, please write this symbol. This one. By using tag. After using tag, write this one. By using tag, comma, where n refers to level of number, where n refers to level of number 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Okay. 1 to 6. Where n refers level of number 1 to 6. Make it example. H1 starting tag, ending tag. Okay. Like this you written up to 6. Okay. We don't want to waste this. Up directly you write this. Okay. H6. Okay. I've completed. Hello. Okay, fine. Then going we have to discuss. Already we discussed about attributes. Am I right? Okay. Now we are going to discuss presenting the text. Okay. Make it heading presenting text. Completed. Heading. In this first one paragraph. Make it heading paragraph. In HTML, if we want to insert any paragraph in our page, HTML, if we want to insert any paragraph in our page, then we have to use, after completion, then we have to use make it syntax, like heading, right? This syntax heading, then syntax here, right? Like this, okay? Blah 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 blah, any paragraph, okay? Starting tag, ending tag, okay? Like this you written, right? Have you done this? Now second one is block quote, okay? BLOCK, not BLACK, okay? Block quote or call it anything, block quote. It is similar to paragraph. It is similar to paragraph, but define the content left and right indents. Left and right indents. For example, see same paragraph. No, this is same. No, if you want, but define left and right indent means what? This first see here cursor is start on left side. If you want to write para here, if we want to click right side, okay. But in block code will take same length, okay. that we use block code. Okay, there is no example for this. Just write syntax same like this. Make it editing syntax. Okay, sorry, I forget your ending tag. Okay, are you completed? Okay, now next one is data list. Make it editing data list. Are you completed? Data list heading. See here, HTML provides the data list. HTML provides the data list for presenting terms and definitions, tags, the tags used for data list, terms and definition. Okay, terms and definition for presenting list. Okay, data list. Okay, now same like left side tag, right side description. Left side tag, right side description, right. First one is DL. DL means what? This data list, no? DL. Left side you write this one. Right side I am saying description now. Make it note down. It specifies the start and end data list. Start and end of data list. It encapsulates the terms and condition. Okay. That is the description. Now coming to second one tag. DT. DT means what? Description term. Okay. A data term. Okay. That is the full name of DT. Okay. Now coming to right side, it defines a data term. And DD. Last one in data list. DD. DD. Okay. DD. Have you done? DD means what? Data definition. Okay. Right side you have to write. It defines the definition under specified data term. It defines the definition under specified data term. Now take example now. Okay. Make rating as example. Okay. Are you fine? See here. Just I will give example. I don't want to write total web page of HTML. From doctype I'm not going to write. Just I'm inside body tag. What will return? I'm writing in that one. Body. I'm taking here. Do I will take. Already you know how to take this. This one is what? Just I'm listing data. Okay, it is a bigger heading. Okay, H1 means what? It is a bigger headings in HTML. Okay, I'm taking data list now for this name. Inside what we have data term. Okay, the term is what? I will take for example web server. Okay, data term ending. Okay, please after completion of this class, you have to practice at least 10 minutes, otherwise there is no use at all. Okay, web server. Okay, it resembles, just I'm take about definition, both, what both ST and hard software and hardware, SFT, hardware. Okay, again DD ending, DD means what? Data definition. Okay, again we have what? Nothing, just I'm closing data list. See this, just I give a basic example for this. In future condition we will go through. Now last one topic, tomorrow tomorrow at 4 p.m. we will go through with remaining topic. Okay. Make it heading, details and summary. Details and summary. Okay. Now write down, HTML provides the elements. HTML provides the elements presenting summarized, sorry, not summary, summarized contents. Summarized means like this, some of the stories. Summarized means if you want to click, it will be open, no? Like this. HTML provides the elements for presenting summarized contents, comma, which user can display in detail or hide the detail. For example, if we have some of the, for example, if you want to go through with online shop, for example, if you are choosing one shoes option, when you are clicking the shoes option, the shoes under the option, again some option will be shows like brand companies names of shoes like this. If you, for example, if you want shoes only one option, no, in a shopping cart there are group of option will be there, but you choose only one option. Why? Because whatever you want, what you like, that option will be taken now. Same like that only. We will go through with the example. Okay, that is the definition. Now same like take left side tag and the right side description. Left side details like this you take tag. Okay, left side. Now coming to right side, it contains the content to be displayed in page. It contains the content to be displayed in page. Now second point in description, you can show or hide, hide the details by using open attribute. That is the first one description. Then coming to next one tag, summary, like this say take. Okay, sorry. Like this you take. Take. Okay, it specifies the term, coming to description side, it specifies the term used for summary details you define. It specifies the term to be used for summary details you define. Now write down one example for this. Okay, same before example like only, but body, div, inside we div, we're taking one heading like summary example. Okay, again we are closing heading. Inside we have details. No, inside the details, have to open for details. No, open. Okay, inside what we have summary. Okay, we have HTML for example. Okay, including summary tag. Under the summary tag here I have what we have like normal elements. Okay, I'm taking break. Why? Because if I don't want to continue in the same line, just I'm taking break. Okay, while red elements. Okay, break. I'm closing details tab. Okay, fine. This is example. Please let me try this. Write this. Let me try this example in our code. Okay, I'm going. I'll go through it with the studio code. Here already I written, but again I'm going. I'm taking demo.html just to sample. First of all, when you are going to write, what do you have to write? After HTML, it is a declaration of HTML. Okay. You have to start your page. You have to must be take HTML. Then after, okay, inside what we have title. Okay. Okay. Then after that, I am going to inserting why because it is visible now. See inside what we take. I'm taking div. Okay. Inside what I have details now. Okay. Details open. Okay. Inside detail what I have summary no. Summary I have. Okay. Like HTML. Okay. Inside summary what I have like normal elements elements. Okay. Break. Okay. Again while element elements. Okay. Break. Okay. Then I'm close. Okay, automatically close to details. Control S. Then I'm go through with my page. See what will happen. See here, if you want hide this normal element, wide element, see when I click on this toggle, it will be gone. See how is wonderful. Do you understand? Hello, are you understand or not? Say first. Okay, this is the today's section. Tomorrow, or not tomorrow, we will meet once again at 4 p.m. Why? Because today 90% will be completed. Tomorrow we have to close HTML. That is our target. Okay, please be patient. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.